ZM Series Modular Mobile Crushing Station. Features of ZM Modular Mobile Crushing Station. The Modular Mobile Crushing Station integrates all the feeding system, crushing system, conveying system, screening system, hydraulic system, electric control system, etc. onto the heavy-duty frames, with a compact structure, convenient transportation, rapid installation, and with the external power drive. Customers only need to level the equipment work site without working on the complex foundation for the main equipment and without erecting conveyor belts, which virtually reducing the investment and achieving more economical and practical effects. 1. ZM Crushing Station adopts modular design, flexible combination, and easy transportation and installation. 2. ZM Mobile Crushing Station integrates multiple functions such as crushing, screening, and transportation to achieve one-stop operation. 3. ZM Modular Mobile Crushing Station adopts advanced crushing technology, with high crushing efficiency and uniform finished product particle size. 4. ZM Crushing Station is mobile in design, adaptable to various complex working sites, and can operate flexibly under different working conditions. 5. ZM Mobile Crushing Station adopts the design concept of low energy consumption and low noise, which meets environmental protection requirements. 6. ZM Modular Mobile Crushing Station intelligent control system is easy to operate, reduces labor costs, and improves work efficiency. 7. ZM Crushing Station adopts high-quality core components. The equipment runs stably and has a long service life.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development, and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.